Hi, over here I have a Dahua XVR. There's my 16 channels and here's my analog camera. But the XVR also has the ability to stream 2 IP channels. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to get the XVR to not only play the analog channel, but also play the IP channels. So over here is the screen and I'm just going to log in. And you can also do this using the web login. And I'm going to show you the live view. And over here it says channel 1 to 16. And I'm going to show you the IP channel which is being streamed. There it says view 3 to 18. And right there is channel 17 and this would be channel 18. I only have one IP channel streaming and I'm going to show you how I get that to stream on this XVR. Right, so I click on camera. I then go to channel type. Brings up a list. There it says channel 17 to 18. I've got to check that box over there. You can uncheck some channels over here if you want to. If you're not going to use all channel 1 to 16, you could uncheck some boxes here. And now I say apply. It's going to have to reboot the XVR. Right, now that it's booted up, I just have to put in my password again. Right, so now what happens is if I got a camera, you will see that the channel type is showing that that is now enabled. And if I go to camera list, you will see that I can now search for devices on the network. For example, if I say search device, it shows me all the other cameras that are on the network that I can now add to this XVR. So say for example, I add that one, it'll be populated over here. And there's the camera. If yours does not show the status as online, just say modify and you will need to put in the username and password for that camera. Now if I go to image, you can now see that camera sitting here. Look at that. There's the camera. You can adjust your settings. And if I go to the live view, in order to see that camera, I will have to select 3 to 18, for example. And there is number 17. There's the camera and I can actually stream just that camera. Now if I go to set the encoding of that camera, I go to 17 here and it's got to get the data from the camera, and there you can see it's already set to 1920 1080p. So you can see that the resolution and the bitrate are higher than the analog cameras. So what I can do now is I can also change this resolution if I want to. Right, then what you can also do is your storage. You can now set the schedule for that particular camera. So these A1 to 16 are A for analog, but now D is your digital, your IP camera. And now you can also set the recording and whether you want it for motion, etc. and the times. So therefore when you go to your playback, you'll now be able to actually view that camera's footage as well. So there you can see there's the footage from that camera, and that's how you stream your IP cameras to your XVR. Thanks for watching and cheers.